Very good morning all of you. In the last video, we have studied about the basics of programming. In the basics of programming, we have already seen the features of a program. Today, in this lecture, just we are going to study about steps for writing a program. So, what all are the steps while writing a good program? Actually, programmer must have to idea about what are the various steps while writing a good program. As all of you have get an idea about the features of an program. So different features in the last session we have already discussed about the different features and need of a program. So while writing a good program, a programmer must have to know the idea of why we are writing a program. Before writing a programmer must have to know means why we are writing a program, because actually we are writing a program to solve a problem. While writing a program, we have to solve different problems. So this is the basic concepts of writing a program. In this, the programmer must have to be aware or must have to be in his intention, in his mind, that means while writing a program, the program should be more flexible and more applicable. In this, actually while writing a good program, the programmer needs to analyze the problem first. Before writing a program, the programmer must analyze the problems. Means what kind of program just we are going to write, and what is the analysis? Means how we will write the code, we will write the program, and what would be the output. By considering all those points, programmer must have to aware those points while writing a good program. So analysis of the problem is the first step while writing a good program. And after the analysis, the problem needs to be described to understand it better. As the analysis has been completed, then the problem what that programmer is going to describe with the help of program will be understand, and the programmer should have a clear idea of the output that is required. Before writing a program, that programmer must have an idea means what would be the output of the program. For example, suppose any customer or any clients are consulting with any company, and he needs to create some application for his organization or something else. Suppose that customer he is running his own business, own schools, colleges, etc. While using that data and information automatic, so he is consulting with the company and he is asking his and he is telling his requirements to the company. Then company will make a note, he will note down the means what are the requirements of the clients, and he wants the requirements which is being shared by the clients to the company. Then company first that will decide to develop one program, develop one application which is used or which is required by the customer. And once this is all will be get done, that company will assign this task in different groups. Some coding group, programmers team, some testing teams are also there. So according to the requirements, that company will provide that works to the different concerned peoples. And once it's been finished or assigned the task to different concerned authorities or different concerned peoples, then that concerned staff or concerned persons has started to work on that application. According to this manner, according to this way, the development of the applications are performed. So in this way, what we are doing after analysis, the problem is described, then the output of the program is also considered by the programmer. As after that, a proper algorithm should be selected. Means while writing some good code, after completion of these steps, the proper algorithm is selected, and this will be help to solving any method. Means once that algorithm is get selected to execute that application, and why that algorithm is required, because it will show or it will reflect the step-by-step process or procedure of our program. And after considering all the methods of algorithms, there are different algorithm methods which is used while developing a application or developing a software. Actually, programmer is fully aware of all those different types of algorithms which is used in the development of the applications, and that programmers should keep in mind to use the simplest algorithm method. And why that programmer is used to simplest algorithm method? Because the algorithm, as all of you have an idea, algorithm is nothing but it's a step-by-step process. So means while making some error correction and detection is very easy, and it will make a helpful for the developer, for the programmer. Suppose if any error is encountered, it will get corrected, and then the code will be run. And now the problem should be written to implement the algorithm in desired platform. Actually, that programmer have an idea on which language, on which platform that application is going to run. According to that convenience, that programmer will write the code. Actually, these days Java programming is a fully object-oriented programming language. Nowadays, most of the developers and developing the applications on the object-based application, like hook-based applications. Java is fully object-oriented programming language. In Java, why developers are preferring that object-oriented or Java language? Because it gives more flexibility and more features which will be included in the Java programming language. In before Java, so many languages were object-oriented languages like C++, It's all are aware that object-oriented languages, but as the advancements of the object-oriented features, the Java language has been get developed. So most of the clients or most of the companies are developing the software in the Java language, and demand of the Java language is huge. Most of the clients usually they are asking their applications, they are asking their apps to be get developed in Java, and means it's very useful object-oriented language. It has give the accurate and desired output while writing a code. Means once the problems of the applications will be get developed on the desired platform and desired programming languages. By using this, the developers can develop one program, one applications, and by in this method, the development or steps for writing a good program. Actually, these all are the basic requirements of a programmer to develop a good program. Okay, thank you.